Welcome, sir.
Thank you.
Okay, first of all, I would like to thank you for giving your time. Sir, I will brief about this program. Sir, this is an initiative taken by Placement Cell in association with Kumbha Motion Art, and it will help the second year student for their placement season. And sir, my first question to you is, what are those three things according to you a student must consider while going for an interview?
First of all, I would like to congratulate all of you for taking such kind of initiative. You are meeting all the experts and taking their views and collecting some sort of knowledge for our students, those who are appearing for this placement season. And I would like to wish you a great success for this year's placement program. And from my side, I would like to assure you full support so that this entire placement activity will be a great success. And I wish you once again a great success during this placement program. Now you asked me about the only three things which are important as far as your entire placement season is concerned. My advice will be, first of all, your communication skills are the most important, including your verbal, then your writing skills. Those should be very excellent. Then second part is most important, which is considered these days in industry, that is the team player. How good team player you are, so that you will be useful for those organizations. And third is your commercial awareness, that is your knowledge, your domain expertise. That is the most important. Along with also you should be a self-motivated person. That is what these days industries are preferring. And one more advice I would like to give all of you. The first one is, before appearing for this placement program, you should be very realistic about your expectations. Most of the times people don't know what they are expecting, what kind of skill set he is possessing or she is possessing, and what he or she is expecting. Therefore, what you should be doing, you should have a self SWOT analysis. If you will conduct your self SWOT analysis, then you will have better chances as far as your entire placement program is concerned.
Okay, sir, that will help him definitely. Sir, as you mentioned that we must have a reality check, a student must have. Sir, regarding that, I have a question that generally it happens that student get confused about should he get to the good package or should he concentrate on a very well job profile?
Initially, getting good pay packages or good job profile, or there may be many more issues. But first of all, what you should focus upon, as this is your very first opportunity to get along with the organization, you should first of all set your priority. What exactly you want to do? You want to work with a big organization, large organization, medium organization, or smaller organization, and what kind of exposure and learning you are getting out of it, because it will be a totally individual's perspective, what he thinks about. It cannot be generalized that you go for this. It depends on individual student, what kind of skill set he is possessing, and therefore accordingly he can plan for the kind of organizations he wish to go.
Sir, my next question to you is, sir, being a fresher, what could be the focusing point for the student to convince the interviewer that he is also equal important and well deserved? So what could be a fresher must be focused on?
First of all, you all student, while convincing that interviewer, you should exhibit your knowledge, what knowledge you have gained during these 2 years, and talk about basically the management solutions towards the problems. Don't talk something about only to the technology part or innovation part, and you should be very specific about what kind of management techniques or what kind of management solution you can provide that organization. You should be able to express yourself by taking the examples of those big organizations or big management people, those who have contributed in this particular management education or management techniques. You should be able to cite those examples so that he will be he will get impressed and you will have better chances there.
Thank you, sir. That will definitely help our student to excel in their placement scenario. Thank you, sir.
Once again, I wish you a great success. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thanks for your time.